Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to turn on Profile Picture Guard on Facebook profile. First step is to open the Facebook app on your phone. Then tap on Menu from the top right. Now tap on your profile. Once you click on your profile photo, a menu appears. After that, tap on the three dots from the home screen. Now click on Unlock Profile. Here select Unlock Your Profile. Again, tap on your profile photo. So you can see the option Turn on Profile Picture Guard. Select Next and then Save. Now you can see the Profile Picture Guard over here. You can turn it off as well. So this is how you can turn on Profile Picture Guard on Facebook profile. Thanks for watching and please leave a like, subscribe and share.